guys know me, you know how much I love my red lips. And if you want to see how I achieve this gorgeous lip color, I perfected the application and it's transfer proof. Just keep on watching. I'm going to show you guys how to get a perfect red lip that will stay throughout the whole day and will not smudge, and it's gonna look gorgeous. First thing you want to do is take a little bit of your foundation on your sponge and just dab it a little bit. Second, we're gonna do a little bit of powder. Now you have a perfect base for red lips. I'm gonna take my favorite lip liner, and this is by MAC in the color Cherry. You have to make sure that it's nice and sharp, and we're gonna outline our lips. I'm gonna mark it first on top and on the bottom. Now, if you want your lips to be a little bit more rounder, you're gonna start from the outer corner and bring it in. Place my pencil flat against my lip. And the reason why I'm doing this, you guys can actually see it, it's kind of blends the pencil into my lip. Now from the outer corner, I'm doing practically the same. I'm gonna start from the outer and I'm gonna bring it to the center. And make sure to connect your corners. And now I'm gonna fill in my entire lip with the pencil. And I'm using the side of the pencil to do that. And I'm really concentrating on the inside of my lips. That's gonna make sure that you're not gonna have that ring. And now I'm gonna use my favorite lipstick by Maybelline, and this is in the shade Red Hot. First you need to do is shake it. And now I'm gonna apply. What I love about this lipstick is that it's gonna stay like this glow.